Hi guys, if your Microsoft Store is not working or not opening, in this video I'll show you the quick way how to fix it. So the first step is that you need to check your internet connection, make sure it should be running fine. And the second thing that you need to ensure is that you need to set your date and time. Mine is already set, and then after that you will restart your computer. So if the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is you can run the Windows Store troubleshooter. For that, you will go in the search bar and you will type troubleshooter. You will type troubleshoot settings. Go to troubleshoot settings, and then you will go to other troubleshooter, and then you will search type store. Just type store and you will find this. Find and fix problems with Microsoft Store app. Click this and look Microsoft troubleshooter, store troubleshooter, and click next. After that, just you need to wait. If there is any problem, it will automatically detect it and it will automatically fix it. So this is the first method. Just wait until this is done. So troubleshooting is done. There is no problem identified. So I will just click close. The second method that you can do is you can reset Microsoft Store cache. So for that you will press Windows R, and then you need to type this ws reset.exe. Just type this over here and then click OK. After that, this is going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Okay. I hope after performing this step, the issue will be fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is you can repair or reset the app. For that, you will go in the installed app section. So for that, in the search bar, you will type installed app. Uh, you will just go to the installed app, and after that you will type store. There is no Microsoft Store. What you can do, you can go to the system components, and after that you need to type over here store, Microsoft Store, and you will go over here, go to the advanced option. After that you will go down, just scroll down, and you need to repair first. If the system component isn't working, we can try to repair it. Just repair it, and it will take some time to complete. After this, if the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is you can reset it. Okay, just quickly do it. Just reset it. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign in detail. Just do it. uh, and after performing this step, I hope the issue will be resolved. Okay, we are done. Now just open the Microsoft Store. I just type store, Microsoft Store, and I hope the issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.